Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As you know that we are studying the biology from class 10, and sorry for uploading the video late because there were some reasons. I was sick, my mother was ill, and also there was some technical issues. So now we are going to start and move further forward for the new lecture number 2. We were studying the gaseous exchange, chapter number 1, from biology 10th class, and we had studied the topic gaseous exchange in plants. Now today we are going to study the lecture number 2 topic, the gaseous exchange in human beings. So there are two ways in human beings to exchange gaseous. These two ways are the one, the air passageway, and the second is lungs. So here I would like to add something that there are two lungs in human beings, and the right lung is bigger than the left one. Right lung has 3 lobes, and on the other hand, left has only 2 lobes. So the left one is a bit smaller than the right one. The gaseous exchange occurs in the lungs in alveoli. But from where does the gas enters in a human being? There are two ways. One is nasal cavity from nostrils, and the other is oral cavity from mouth. So this is the diagram of the respiratory system of human being, or the air passageway. Let's start with the first one, the nasal cavity. When we are using our nose, or we inhale the air from the nostrils, the holes on the end of nose. There are 2 nostrils in each nose. Air enters from it and it moves to the nasal cavity. Then it goes down and passes from the epiglottis and then glottis, then move towards the larynx, then move towards the trachea. Here there are very small or tiny hairs present in trachea. These hairs purify the air. These hairs or CE are also present here in the nose, nasal cavity. When the air is entered from the nostrils, the hairs stop the dirt. They capture the biggest germs and dirt particles. Then the air is purified, and there is a bit temperature also that kills the most germs and bacteria, and moisturize due to mucus glands, and moves to the nasal cavity, and then moves to the larynx. From that it goes further forward to the trachea. Then trachea is a windpipe. It is also called windpipe. Trachea divides further in 2 tubes. These tubes are called bronchi. Bronchi then further divides into pretty small tubes called bronchioles. These bronchioles open in the lungs. So bronchi enters the lungs and divides into bronchioles. These bronchioles are further divided into alveoli ducts. These alveoli ducts are present on the ends of bronchioles. These are the very small pouch-like, or it is also called the air sacs. These air sacs contains many capillaries, blood capillaries, When air enters in it, the pressure goes rise and blood capillaries, the carbon dioxide present in the blood capillaries move from blood capillaries to alveoli ducts, and the oxygen present in the air and alveoli move to the blood capillaries. Then the deoxygenated air again goes from the same direction. So I hope you understood this passageway from nasal cavity. Now move to the oral cavity. As we know, the mouth enters the oral cavity. Oral cavity is this, the present. This is the oral cavity. So when we open mouth, the inner side of our mouth is called the oral cavity. It leads towards the epiglottis and glottis. What is epiglottis? It is a lid, muscular lid or cartilaginous lid present on glottis. Glottis is a hole that opens the windpipe. So it again moves towards the larynx. Larynx is a muscular or cartilaginous box. It contains two strips, fibrous strips. These strips are called vocal cords, and this vocal cord is responsible for being loudness, for the voice coming out. Then it moves towards the trachea. There are also some small tiny hairs. These hairs are for the capturing of germs and dirt particles that has remained from upward. Then the trachea, as we before studied, that these are the these two windpipes are called bronchi. Trachea leads towards the bronchi. Bronchi again further divides into smaller tubes called bronchioles. These are on the end of the bronchioles. There are some pouch-like structures or the air sacs that are called alveoli. So I hope you have understood. And inshallah, see you next time. Till the next video and the next lecture. Stay tuned. Wish you good luck. Keep connecting and follow the SOPs. Be safe, be smart, and also I would like to say that subscribe my channel, like the videos, share the videos for the betterment of the society. And till the next video, Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.